Plastic bags have become one of the most common items in daily life, but also one of the most damaging to the environment. They are lightweight, cheap, and convenient, yet their environmental cost is very high. A single plastic bag can take hundreds of years to decompose, and in the meantime, it may pollute rivers, oceans, and soil. Many animals, especially sea turtles, birds, and fish, mistake plastic for food and suffer from it. This global problem has led many people to search for alternatives, and one of the most effective solutions is the cotton bag. Cotton bags are made from natural fibers, and this gives them several important advantages. Unlike plastic, cotton is biodegradable. If left in nature, a cotton bag will eventually break down and return to the soil rather than remain for centuries. This reduces the long-term impact on the environment. More importantly, cotton bags are reusable. A single cotton bag can be used hundreds of times, replacing a large number of disposable plastic bags. In this way, cotton bags reduce waste and help people live more sustainably. The practical benefits of cotton bags are also worth considering. While thin plastic bags often break under heavy weight, cotton bags are strong and durable. They can easily carry groceries, books, or even heavier items without tearing. In addition, they are washable. If a cotton bag becomes dirty, it can be cleaned and used again, which makes it both hygienic and economical. With proper care, a cotton bag can last for years. This means that, although a cotton bag may cost more at the beginning, it actually saves money over time because it replaces hundreds of single-use bags. Another advantage of cotton bags is their role in lifestyle and fashion. In recent years, cotton bags have become more than just shopping tools. They are now seen as accessories that reflect personal style and values. Cotton bags come in many designs, colors, and prints, and some people even collect them. They can be minimalistic, artistic, or branded with a message. Many businesses also use cotton bags to promote their identity. When a company prints its logo or artwork on a cotton bag, customers carry that message with them in daily life. This creates visibility for the brand while encouraging environmentally friendly habits. In addition to being practical and fashionable, cotton bags also carry a symbolic meaning. Each time a person chooses a reusable cotton bag instead of a disposable one, it represents a small but meaningful decision. It shows awareness of environmental issues and a willingness to take responsibility. While one individual's choice may seem small, the combined effect of millions of people making similar decisions can be enormous. Cleaner oceans, less polluted streets, and a reduction in waste are possible outcomes if society continues to move away from single-use plastics. Of course, cotton production itself has environmental challenges. It requires water, land, and energy, and large-scale farming can have negative effects. However, when used for long periods, cotton bags still have a lower environmental footprint compared to constantly producing and discarding plastic. The key is reuse. The more times a cotton bag is used, the more its benefits increase. In conclusion, cotton bags are not simply another type of shopping bag. They are a practical, durable, and stylish alternative to plastic, and they carry strong environmental benefits. They can reduce waste, save money, and even serve as a fashion statement. Most importantly, they remind us that small daily habits can influence the future of the planet. By choosing cotton bags over disposable ones, we take a simple step toward a more sustainable world. Discover our premium cotton bag collection at desfabricant.com.